Ojocho for Bedieche a day Emma NDC Mayukono Koku Anyidoho and a ditu judge say free mra NDC Mayukono Komu Bomuno and Nakrokro and NPP for pa. Enunti Amasa Sabo Abonana Adudan Koku Fado or sorry and Crofon Maison Kwano Namtimania Ghana for one was an Antonefia. Ora Koku Anyidoho Eden say way to dra a brand NDC Mayukono Kona Susum. Ewo mission to Nation International Ministry and no do about 20 years so ewo enkrahase.
Senkaboma yepeno yefa kumapa. No credit, Yonkudo, Tuache, Niemfa Natisa, in Kabum Quanoso, and then ya, you bedin kunimedi. NPP for me said P or Homun to me die. Omunjindi, said NDC penny. The Fisa Patinatita Pansam, founder Thursday Wembumu, Enra Wembumu, NPP for Omuni Assembly on Bekebium. NDC, we are united 2020 year back. And Akufado, and no to Kwamba Hat. One share yen kabo mun ade we yekra one share kra no aka mono ne wan san baga na bim
esisi ne NPP omo NDC amayekon mu bi te se Kofi Adams Mark Hammer Betimo Didrisu Nilante Vantapoy ene dodo na ene koye omo di asade nyankropon wase papa ena UTV ya twipiri nkramantem titene ni dima amayekon no owura adekoka ene ode tu dwa kire se omo de nyankropon wase se waka amayekon na bomu na sese de omo fum so omo ye no gbanwuro makomo wa bomu eba beji akunya no afri NPP for ensem mfie aduonu emu ode no eno de tu dwa kire se enfie pimbeni ni edu ensia bato ye tuyo Ghana se ne NPP for mo ani nkunim eye NDC for ne di ntwuntra.
NDC will never die. NDC never say die. Yet and we are going to reorganize ourselves. In 2020 we are coming back. NPP will win election. NDC will lose election. And we are going to make sure that mistakes are we are come back to 2020. And NDC will lose election. NPP will win election.
Our mission to Nation International Ministry.
There is a responsibility on government which he must need the tax for. Government, here pass over collective tax. No on fire near my papa. Anti baby, Eda Hose, so to your tax no. You pay tax, but you don't follow Omo. Sorry to say, Sikape, that sign of church, no. And affect others because you must also know the social values of the church. Say, sorry, you have if you be to me a crofo, or be to me a boy, or be to me a niamabia, a be affected or minor. And the church is very important in terms of how people live their lives. Senior, crofo to me about my bra, papa.